Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the system accessible and safe. With the negative battery terminal off, open the brake fluid reservoir and siphon fluid down to below the master cylinder ports. This prevents spillage when you loosen lines. Use line wrenches on fittings. Loosen and cap brake lines immediately. Once done, remove any obstructing parts like the airbox or intake bracket, so you can reach the master and slave cylinders comfortably and avoid unnecessary strain while you work. You now remove the old components with deliberate care. First, unbolt the master cylinder from the firewall while supporting the pedal to keep pushrod alignment, then detach hydraulic lines using line wrenches and immediately cap them to reduce air intake. For the slave, remove its mounting bolts and disconnect the actuator rod. Fit the new slave and master, orient seals correctly, and start bolts by hand, then torque to factory specs. Make sure the pushrod returns freely and linkages align before proceeding. You finish by removing air and verifying operation. Begin a controlled bleed sequence, either vacuum, pressure, or manual assist, starting at the furthest wheel or per the service manual. Have an assistant pump the pedal slowly while you open and close bleed valves. Once the pedal feels firm, tighten everything, clean spilled fluid, and top the reservoir to the max mark. Finally, test drive gently. Then recheck for leaks and pedal firmness after the initial braking events to ensure a reliable repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.